chief guest, along with the other dignitaries, is now amongst us. I request you all to extend a very warm reception through a standing ovation and a huge round of applause. Thank you.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
जब भी ये गीत सुनते हैं आंखें नम हो जाती हैं। एहसास होता है उन कुर्बानियों का जो हमारे वीर सैनिकों ने दी, उस पीड़ा का, खून के हर एक कतरे का जो उन्होंने आज़ादी के लिए बहा दिया। याददाश्त के पन्नों पर वक्त की गर्द जरूर चढ़ गई है, लेकिन आज भी हमारी नसों में उन्हीं वीर सैनिकों का खून दौड़ रहा है जिन्होंने हंसते हंसते देश की आज़ादी के लिए अपने प्राण न्यौछावर कर दिए।
Mother, I bow to thee, rich with thy hurrying streams, bright with thy orchard gleams, cool with thy winds of delight, dark fields waving, mother of might, O mother fair.
I, Jana June,
And I, Arsha Youth, on behalf of Prayag family, extend our warm greetings to one and all present here. It is a proud moment for us all, as we have approached the 75th Independence Day. 15th August holds an everlasting place in our memory and fills our heart with immense respect and love for our motherland.
most humbly, I take the privilege to invite our chief guest, Shri O.P. Sharma, and the treasured invitees to please do us the honors by kindling the lamp. May I also request Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Mr. Karthik Sharma, and the Principal, Ms. Anju Gupta, to please escort.
विनाशाय
On behalf of the management, I thank him for providing his gracious presence to join us today and enhance our joy. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to introduce our worthy chief guest, Shri O.P. Sharma ji. Sir, you need no introduction. Sir has remained the founder and chairman of the Panipat Urban Cooperative Bank Limited, Om Seva Sadan Haridwar, Uttarakhand, Gurukul Pundri, Kaithal, Haryana. Sir have remained the chairman of Haryana State Urban Cooperative Banks Federation and the director of National Federation of Urban Cooperative Banks, New Delhi. Sir has also remained the active member of Lok Adalat District Courts, Panipat. You are a man of distinct vision, an idol of knowledge and experience and inspiration to all of us. I would like my audience sitting here to please give him a big clap. Thank you. हाहाकारी नाद, प्राणों के अंत तक जद्दोजहद, आसमान से बड़ी जिद और अंतिम फैसले को पाने का जज्बा। कोटि नमन है कुछ शहीदों को जिन्होंने हंसते हंसते देश के लिए अपने प्राण न्यौछावर कर दिए। Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate the proud occasion of Independence Day. Indeed, this day is a plethora of emotions. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, the bloodshed of sacrifices, and an example of the strength in unity. We celebrate this day with warm regards, tricolors flying high, echoing songs of patriotism, speeches, debates, dances, and whatnot. We give tribute to the brave martyrs who sacrificed their future so that we may enjoy our present. Sitting here in the cozy environment of free India, can we really imagine the pain, the agony, the brutality, the bloodshed our ancestors, our forefathers faced under Britishers? The answer is obvious, no. It is yet again time to analyze what we have achieved in the previous years and what is yet to achieve. Our hearts swell with pride when we look back and count the advancements our country has made till date. How can we forget the sweating winnings of 1 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze in 2020 Olympics held in Tokyo? Today, we feel privileged to enjoy all the privileges of free India, advanced India. But the question arises, are we really free after 75 years of independence? If we were able to mount that wondrous horse of freedom, do we really know where would we seek to ride it? The fact cannot be ignored that India is still struggling for freedom from multitude of social problems, female infanticide, farmer suicide, child labor, corruption, human trafficking. The list is endless. We are still slaves of our own narrow thinking. How can we turn a blind eye towards the heart-wrenching condition of our women, our pride? Dear children, we must admit, India is still caged. When women can go out without fear, when people in slum will sleep with their stomachs full, when no child will be deprived from education, we will achieve freedom in true terms. So, high time. It's a call for youth residing in schools, colleges and universities. Tighten your seatbelts. Stand for the cause of for your country. Keep the flame alive. Carry the flag forward. Celebrate the spirit of being independent and make the celebrations all the more meaningful. A commitment is all what we need. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, into that heaven of freedom, my father led my country awake. Jai Hind!
अस्तित्व हूँ आज़ादी का, प्रतीक हूँ स्वतंत्र आबादी का। न जाने कितने इतिहास समेटे बैठा हूँ, मेरे अफसानों को गौर से पढ़ो मेरे यारों, मैं स्वतंत्र भारत में गर्व से खड़ा तिरंगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, get the strings of your heart drawn to the upcoming soul-stirring lyrics.